Hi guys, today is another video about a breeder I have acquired lately. As I have said in my previous videos about the Stichelbaut pigeon I have on my loft, this is another acquisition I've made recently. The origin is from Mr. Franz Labeuf, Bissegem, who breeds and competes with 100% pure Stichelbaut pigeons. So this bird here is a cock bird, and he is 100% again Stichelbaut. He is again like the other pair I have bought from him, like the other cock. This bird here is again a full brother of Montauban. So this bird has the same origins as Montauban. He descends from the, let's say, the golden pair of Mr. Franz Labeuf. I'm going to show you the pedigree here. So the father is Favorier. As you can see on the other pedigree, Favorier 99078. This cock has bred 3 Barcelona races: Montauban, 5-time Barcelona Nero, 4-time Barcelona and Tarzan. So this cock 078 was paired up with sister Titi, again a 100% pure Stichelbaut. Titi won 23 international ducks, and also he has raced 14 races and has acquired 14 prizes. Okay, so this bird comes from Favorier. The father of this bird is Favorier, and sister Titi. Okay, I called him Witte which translated from Dutch would mean white beak. I'm gonna try and catch the bird and show you the bird closely. He's on a bull system. He's a bit wary here. At the moment, he's paired up with the second hen, and the hen is 100% pure John Ardeen via Pete Lazarum. They've got eggs now, so on the same time I'm going to show you the hen as well. So this is the hen. He's paired up at the moment. This hen is again 100% pure Jan Arden, or Jan Ardeen, whatever you want to call it. She's a very, very special bird. They are on the first round of eggs together. I will let them have another round and then I'll change the hen. So previously, Witte was paired up with a daughter of 20 National Barcelona in United Kingdom that I also have on my loft. But now I'm going to try, as I said, to catch him. This is another pure Stichelbaut pigeon from Mr. Franz Labeuf. As I said, I named him Witte because he's got a translucent, transparent beak. Again, this bird is full brother with Montauban. He's an 09 cock. (3031-626) 2009. What I like about Mr. Labeur is that anytime I visit him, he let me choose the birds I want to buy from him. Now the prices are not very low. He does ask money for his birds for a very good reason. These are excellent birds for marathon distance races. But he let me choose what I want. And again, I have chosen this time another pair, and this one is the cock. The other hen I have chosen is a daughter of Montauban. She's on the other loft, paired up with another Stichelbaut cock. I have got very tight bird, very silky feathering, very good shape. But this is a Wittebeck, a 100% pure Stichelbaut pigeon from Mr. Franz Labeur, Bissingen. He's on a bull system. He injured a bit his wing. For some reason I kept him on the other loft with the other birds, and I don't know what he has done. He injured a bit his wing, but he flies and ends successfully the mating process. I already have 2 youngsters out of this bird, and now he's paired up with a second hen, and they have eggs. The hen just laid eggs 2 days ago. So again, guys, you can see another Stichelbaut pigeon on my loft. These pigeons represent for me the foundation of my future marathon races. Okay, I hope you like it, guys. Subscribe. If I can help you with any descendants of these birds, let me know. Shoot me an email. I'll post the email address on the description box, and we can talk further. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.